Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC B1228 alongside the indicator D and auto is associated with a short circuit issue in the outside air temperature sensor circuit of the Honda Accord models from 2008 to 2012. The outside air temperature sensor plays a crucial role in measuring the ambient temperature outside the vehicle, which is essential for the climate control system to operate effectively. This sensor is usually located in the front grille area or near the radiator, providing real-time data to the climate control unit, which adjusts the air conditioning or heating accordingly. When there's a short circuit in this sensor circuit, the climate control unit may receive inaccurate readings, leading to potential climate control malfunctions, affecting both user comfort and vehicle performance. Understanding this code is essential for effective troubleshooting, ensuring a thorough approach to restore proper function to the climate control system. This presentation will provide a systematic troubleshooting guide to effectively resolve this DTC B1228 error. DTC B1228 indicates that there is a short circuit present in the outside air temperature sensor circuit. This circuit is vital as it allows the climate control unit to gather accurate temperature readings from the ambient air. The outside air temperature sensor is typically situated at the front grille area of the vehicle, providing consistent data to the internal systems. If the sensor encounters a short circuit, it could lead to incorrect temperature reporting, causing the climate control system to either overcool or undercool the vehicle cabin. This malfunction can undermine passenger comfort and also put unnecessary strain on HVAC components. Therefore, recognizing the implications of this DTC B1228 is essential for appropriate repairs to restore functionality. Several potential causes could lead to the occurrence of DTC B1228. Firstly, wiring issues, such as frayed wires or loose connections, could result in short circuits within the sensor circuit. These disturbances can interfere with proper signals being sent between the outside air temperature sensor and the climate control unit. Secondly, a faulty outside air temperature sensor itself could contribute to an incorrect reading or a complete malfunction. Lastly, poor connections in the electrical circuit can lead to intermittent failures where the sensor sporadically functions or fails. Therefore, addressing these possible causes systematically is imperative to identify the root of the issue and confirm the necessary repairs. When diagnosing DTC B1228, specific symptoms may present themselves that indicate its presence. One of the most common symptoms is erratic behavior from the climate control system, which may struggle to maintain the desired cabin temperature. Additionally, the vehicle's display might show error messages related to the climate control functionality. Inconsistent temperature readings can also occur, where drivers may notice that the air conditioning or heating is not performing as expected. Drivers might sometimes feel that the temperature inside the cabin does not match the set temperature, leading to discomfort. Recognizing these symptoms early can assist technicians in quickly identifying the DTC B1228 to facilitate the most effective and timely repairs. Begin troubleshooting DTC B1228 by first clearing the fault code using the HDS or Honda Diagnostic System. This action removes any stored codes, allowing you to verify if the issue persists. Following this, turn the ignition switch to the lock 0 position and then to the on 2 position. This helps reset the vehicle's electronic systems. With the ignition on, perform the self-diagnostic function through the HDS or climate control unit. This diagnostic process will allow the vehicle's systems to check for any current error codes. After completing this initial step, check for any DTCs present. If the DTC B1228 or the indicator D and auto still appears, proceed to the next troubleshooting step. If not, you may be dealing with an intermittent failure, necessitating a check for loose wires or poor connections. Next, turn the ignition switch back to lock before proceeding with the disassembly required in this step. Remove the outside air temperature sensor carefully. This sensor can usually be accessed with appropriate tools and is often clipped into a bracket or held in place with screws. Once removed, it is essential to test the sensor to confirm whether it is operational. This usually involves using a multimeter to check the continuity and resistance of the sensor. If the outside air temperature sensor is functioning correctly, you will receive readings within specified parameters. If the sensor is not okay, it must be replaced, as a defective sensor cannot provide accurate readings needed for optimal climate control operation. Disconnect the climate control unit connectors A, 28P and B, 12P carefully. Testing the wiring integrity is crucial, as it can help pinpoint if a short circuit exists between the climate control unit and the outside air temperature sensor circuit. Utilize a multimeter to check for continuity between climate control unit connector A, terminal number 24, and the body ground. Establishing continuity will confirm that the grounding is intact and there is no short circuit with the vehicle's body. This step directly addresses potential wiring issues contributing to the DTC B1228. If continuity is found, proceed to investigate the wiring between the climate control unit and the sensor further. If not, you will have to move on to the next troubleshooting step to clarify where the failure is occurring. In this step, you will need to check for continuity between climate control unit connector A, 28P, terminal number 24, and climate control unit connector B, 12P, terminal number 10. This continuity check is crucial in determining if there is an electrical fault in the circuit connecting these two terminals. If there is continuity, it indicates that the wiring between these 2 points is solid and that the signal is likely valid at this stage. If no continuity is found, further investigation is necessary, as this could imply the presence of a break or fault in the circuit. Effective diagnostics and repairs here will ensure that the outside air temperature can subsequently be relayed accurately to the climate control unit. If continuity is confirmed, it leads you to the final troubleshooting step to address the short circuit issue specifically. Once all repair steps have been completed, it is imperative to verify that the repair was effective. Begin by reconnecting all connectors that were previously disconnected during the diagnostic process. This step ensures that the climate control unit is re-established and can receive accurate signals from the outside air temperature sensor. After reconnecting, use the HDS to clear any lingering DTCs. Once cleared, it is crucial to retest the climate control functionality to ensure that it is now operating as expected. Monitor the system for any signs of the previous issues, such as erratic temperature control or error indicators. A successful verification implies that the repairs addressed the root of the problem, restoring full function to the climate control system of the Honda Accord. To prevent the recurrence of DTC B1228 and maintain optimal performance of the climate control system in your Honda Accord, regular maintenance checks are essential. Start by inspecting the wiring related to the outside air temperature sensor frequently. Look for signs of wear, fraying, or any visible damage that could lead to shorts. Ensuring clean and secure connections at all connectors is also crucial, as dirt or corrosion can lead to intermittent failures. Additionally, monitoring the performance of the outside air temperature sensor itself will help catch any issues before they escalate. By implementing these preventive measures, you enhance the reliability of the climate control system, minimizing the chances of future complications due to this specific DTC. In conclusion, Understanding DTC B1228 is vital for ensuring the proper functionality of the climate control system in the Honda Accord from 2008 to 2012. The outside air temperature sensor is integral in providing accurate temperature readings, impacting comfort and performance. Timely diagnosis and repair strategies help mitigate issues such as incorrect climate control behavior and unnecessary strain on the vehicle's HVAC components. Regular maintenance practices, including monitoring wiring integrity and sensor function, are crucial in preventing future DTC occurrences. By following systematic troubleshooting and prevention steps, vehicle owners can maintain both comfort and reliability in their driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.